Next subtopic is adaptations in plants. What adaptations does plants bring about to survive? First, we are going to see adaptations in aquatic plants. Aquatic means those that grow on or inside water. The adaptations that take place inside aquatic plants are the roots of some plants will be firmly rooted in the soil, deep inside the soil of the pond or whatever water body it is. So the roots will be deep inside the soil under the water. Their stems will also be under the water. Submerged means under the water. But the leaves and flowers will be above on the surface of the water. They will float. So we can see only the flower and the leaf floating. But these plants, they will be on one firm place because their roots are inside the soil. Then there are some plants whose stems are submerged in the water, but their roots are not deep inside the soil. They will be afloating. Afloat means their roots will also be floating, and it can move from with the flow of water. These plants will flow with the flow of water. They do not have a firm place. Their roots are not anchored in the soil. Their roots are not anchored means the roots are not deep inside the soil. This is one adaptation. Second adaptation in aquatic plants is the leaves and stems of aquatic plants are covered with waxy layer. Means how we have wax, the candle wax. What is candle made up of? Such a layer will be formed on the leaves and stem. Because of this, the water will not get absorbed inside it, and it will not become heavy. The plant will not become heavy. Then leaves of some aquatic plants, some, not all, are very thin and cylindrical, and these shapes help them to withstand the current. Withstand the current of water means if the water current is fast, it can adjust itself according to the water flow and not get submerged or drawn in the water. Then in another adaptation is in the stems and petioles. Petioles are the base part of the leaves. A small stick-like structure which attaches the leaf to the stem is a petiole. So the stem and the petiole have air spaces inside them, means hollow spaces which are filled with air. So because of this, the stem and the petiole, it becomes light in weight and it helps the aquatic plant to float.